Now when it comes on to hydrating the skin, clearing pigmentation from the skin, and also reducing wrinkles and fine lines, there's one thing that I particularly like to use on my skin, and this is petroleum jelly. Now if you know how to use petroleum jelly, you can actually make a cream out of it, an anti-aging, moisturizing, hydrating cream. And that is what I'm doing today. Today I'm making an anti-aging, moisturizing cream out of petroleum jelly. I'm using just a few ingredients to create this awesome goodness. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watching. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. I'm going to be using some petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. I'm also going to be using some aloe vera gel. I'm using some soy milk, some rosehip seed oil, and also some vitamin E oil. Now let's go ahead and make the recipe. First ingredient is petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is widely used in skincare products. It has been around for centuries, and that is for a reason. It helps to get rid of dry, flaky skin, hydrates the skin, and lock the moisture in the skin. So today I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the petroleum jelly. I'm going to place the petroleum jelly in a small bowl. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to melt the petroleum jelly. I'm going to take some hot water. Make sure the water is the boiling point. And then I'm going to place my petroleum jelly over the hot water. And I'm going to continue to stir this until the petroleum jelly is melted. This is going to take about a minute or so. You can even choose to do this in your microwave. However, I like to do it the way I'm doing it, just over a hot water or a double boiler. Now, once the petroleum jelly has been melted, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. So I'm going to place about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel in the bowl with the petroleum jelly. Once you add this, it's going to become a little lumpy. Not to worry, you're going to slowly mix this in, just blend this in, and take a look at what I'm doing here. This is how it's going to be looking. Aloe vera gel is hydrating, help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, help to smooth the skin, also help to clear pigmentation on the skin. This is also another ingredient that is widely used in skincare products and has been around for centuries. Once you continue to mix, then this is going to become a creamy consistency. This is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on what you're using. You can also choose to use a whisk, which is going to take about a minute or so. Now, once this is done, I'm going to add some other ingredient. My first ingredient is going to be some soy milk. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the soy milk. Go ahead and mix this in. I'm using the soy milk for its rich vitamin A content. Vitamin A is also a retinol alternative. This helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to boost the collagen and elastin in the skin. Vitamin A also helps to clear pigmentation. It is nourishing to the skin and is great for most skin type, especially if you're over 30. This makes a great addition to your skincare product. Blend and blend well. Totally blend the soy milk in the aloe vera and the petroleum jelly mixture. Now once this is done, let's reach for some oils. My first oil is going to be some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to nourish and protect the skin, hydrates the skin, softens and smooths the skin. Vitamin E oil will leave the skin soft, smooth, and supple. I'm going to be using a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Now my final oil is going to be some rosehip seed oil. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of our rosehip seed oil. This is also rich in vitamin A, but it also contains this amazing vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C will help to clear pigmentation on the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is also rich in vitamin E, which helps to nourish and protect the skin. So here in our bowl, we have some petroleum jelly. We also have some aloe vera gel. We have some soy milk, some vitamin E, and some rosehip oil. You can choose to add any of your favorite oil to this recipe. Just make it your own. And now we're going to blend everything together, blending this to a creamy consistency. This is going to take about a minute or so. So continue to blend and blend well. And look at this. Look how creamy this is. This is just an amazing cream to use on the skin. Now once this is done, we're going to pour this in our small jar. Pour in a sterilized container. And now take a look. Here we have our hydrating moisturizer. This moisturizer will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. To use the moisturizer, you want to apply this on clean skin. So you're going to take a bit of the moisturizer and you're going to apply it on the skin. Make sure to exfoliate your skin if you have not done so for a while. Now once I apply this on my skin, then I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to slowly massage it on the skin. Massage it on my face and in circular motion. I'm going to massage it on my forehead. This is going to help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the forehead. Massage it on and it's going to feel nice, smooth and silky. This is also good to use under your eyes. So go ahead and apply it under your eyes in a dabba 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 dabba. Help to get rid of crow's feet and also wrinkles under the eyes. Next I'm going to go to my jawline and I'm going to massage it by just pressing it on my jawline. Pressing it on my jawline, and then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to just massage it on my cheekbones. Just massage it on the cheekbones, and I'm going to do this for about 10 reps, just massaging this awesome goodness on the cheekbones. Now once this is done, and take a look, my skin is already looking flush. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to take it down on the neck and décolleté, a small amount on the neck and décolleté. And now I'm going to just massage my neck in upward strokes like I'm showing here. Just massage my neck in upward stroke. Amazing, feels good. Now once this is done, you are good to go. I prefer to use this at night on my skin. Have to hydrate, have to transform my skin, have to take my skin to the next level. When you wake up in the morning, go ahead and rinse off. Rinse with some cold water, pat dry the skin and reveal younger, fresher, plumper, fully hydrated skin. Now here is one plus to this recipe. You can go ahead, take a bit and you can apply it on your lips. Good for cracked lips, good for rough, dry, flaky looking lips. Moisturize and hydrates the skin. So that is how you use petroleum jelly to make an anti-aging facial moisturizer that is good for your face, your neck and your décolleté, your under eyes and also your lips. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share, and I can't wait for this comment. So comment and what other ingredient would you add to kick this up a notch. Now go ahead and try this recipe, and after you use it for a while, come back and leave another comment. Now guys, I have other videos that you can watch, so go ahead on my channel page, click on my face below the video. That is going to take you to the channel page, or you can choose to just wait to the end and I'm going to share about 4 more videos for you. Pick one and watch another video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.